Oh, yes, I'm all happy again. We got mail call right here from the two dudes from
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
Hey. All right, so it's my turn now. I'm so excited. Okay. I don't know why I was making that stupid ass voice, but sorry. Not teasing. Oh, get info. And uncut the pepper. When there's a note attached to it.
Oh, no.
Wait. Better not be bad news.
Oh.
Thanks so much. Okay.
Thanks so much, but I dropped it in the toilet.
Bro.
And left it in the sun for 10 years before.
Oh, God, left it in the sun. It better not be the same guy, like the cat litter guy, bro. Okay, so.
Oh, it's a big ball. Oh, I know what that is. Okay, I know what it is.
To be the double one. I'm excited. I'm waiting. Please don't be all messed up.
Oh, that looks better than the picture they had on eBay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh. Got that one.
Look, they forgot to take out the rubber band.
What rubber band?
Nah, I don't know.
Got that one, and cannot see that one, so I'm gonna have to do them like this.
Yeah. It's focused right there. That looks nice. You know, it looks better if you open it, I think.
Wow, that is freaking beautiful, bro.
That is nice.
Can I go wrong with freaking paint on chrome, bro? Ooh. And look, I got the bottom one. I got the Zamek version, a raw version. And there's only 5,000.
Wow.
There's only 5,000. Okay, well, this one is nice. I'm all happy about this. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Let's see what this one is now. Please be good.
Yeah, please be good.
Please be good.
The less swearing, the easier the edits are.
Oh, hells yeah!
Oh, it's another one. So this one...
pink one!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, baby! And this is a 6.7 Z28. Look at that right there. Bing!
That is nice. Try hold it right there. Let me put some light on it. Maybe we can get some...
Yeah, look at that.
No, the chrome is reflecting the light. Oh, that's cool. But it looks nice now.
Yeah, that's why I got that one.
It's like a dark pink.
Yeah.
Wouldn't red be dark pink?
I guess so. In the ad, one guy said pink, one guy said red, so I went with pink. You know, pink for pink. So, you know.
At least it's not Pepto Pink.
Yes, not Pepto Pink. All right, so the two I wanted, I got, and it's all. One thing I like about these, check it, man. It's authentic, metal, limited, re-rubber tires, everything. That's what I like about these, man. And this is awesome. And look at that. Oh, that's just freaking killer. You know, that set me back a lot, man. You know,
I really think we should look at it outside of the box.
Well, I'm hoping these guys never open them. Okay, this one is still sealed. This one is kind of open, but that's okay. I don't think these guys open it. All right, I'm happy about that. But we're not Paul,
because we have more.
Because we got this one right here. I'm gonna open up right now. I don't know which one is this. Okay, with a knife. All right. Okay, so this one get. I hope it's not all boss, because this is just bags of.
You get that box.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh look, you have a golden ticket.
All right, so they bagged it with a lot of bags, so I guess I guess the mainland number one problem with this. only the HI. Okay. There it is. Oh my God. Okay. Be nice, be nice, be nice. Oh yeah, this one wasn't that nice. I forgot about when I ordered it, but I wanted the casting.
The car is nice.
Yeah, this one we're actually gonna open.
Oh.
I don't have a choice, so not today though. I have to build up the huevos to open it up.
Oh, I just gotta.
See, but there's the car right there. Look at that. Ooh. I like that gold. Nice. Yeah, that is a nice gold. I didn't realize the hood came off. Look at that.
Yeah, they never have coolant back then. They just took the hood off to cool the engine.
Yeah. Put speed. Okay, so got that one right there. That's the 54. What is this again now? 54. 54. 54. It's just on freaking 54, bro. All right, at least now we know how old the damn car is.
54 racing champion.
Yeah, 54 racing champion. All right, so here's the other one. Hopefully this one is in good shape. Oops, somebody left the envelope. Okay, this one getting newspaper. What the hell? Okay. Oh, this one's not too bad. Booyah!
Oh, that one is nice. Is that the one that I called the dairy delivery?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that thing just shines right there. Look at that.
You know what? Even the auction for that other one doesn't say what kind of car.
Yeah, it doesn't say what it is. I don't think the guy who knew who I bought it from. But I wanted this one because this is freaking 24K gold.
This is Big Mac.
Yeah, this is Big Mac. They had some kind of whole McDildo's theme. So. Yeah.
McDonald's.
One thing cool about this, though, I mean, you know, the packaging is nice, so I don't have to worry about it being damaged. So, you know, like, but this one, you're probably wondering, oh my God, look at that! Why is he not snapping? Why is he not swearing? How come he's not going off? That's because I knew it was like this, and I actually just wanted the casting.
I think it'll look nice in a 1/64 scale acrylic case.
Yeah,
it'll look nice like that.
So I just like the casting because I just thought that model was just really nice. So, but at some point in time, I will have the huevos to actually open my stuff, and then then we can. But until then, I'm still chicken to open my stuff. All right, then we are done here. Good day. We got our stuff. Stuff wasn't all messed up. Today's a good day. Great mail call right over here. And so like and subscribe. We'd like to thank everybody for stopping by on our channel and checking it out. We do appreciate it. You got anything to say? Hit us up. Other than that, the two dudes from
HotWheelsCollectorsHawaii.com.
We out of here, bruh.